We got 80,000 miles on the dash. We got to see why our parking light is on. I'm thinking it's because of the brakes, but then again, you never really know. We on touring mode. You guys know this thing has like a different, I guess, like exhaust sound, so we can just hear it in touring mode before we go there. Let's see. That's in touring mode. So let's hear track. Let's see if it changed up a little bit. Not really, I don't know. Couldn't tell the difference. And so we done popped the trunk. We got all types of freaking dirt and all type of trash and all that good stuff, man. So we got the detailer, the interior cleaner rather, coming here at about 2 o'clock. So I just want to have this thing cleaned out so when he gets here, he can just do his job. But we about to flood the bag up real quick. Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to the other garage. We got Bay here. Had to juice her up last night, so she's on a full charge. Time to get this thing moved out. They so used to me parking right there. Nobody didn't even park right there. That's crazy. They like, yeah, man, he gonna be back any second. But we should be out of here soon, man. I can't wait, dog. I'm gonna just move this and we're gonna check out the bike. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. As much as I wanna work on this, man, it is like entirely too hot. Kind of don't even feel like loading it up, to be honest with you. But we gotta get it going, man. So I'll probably load that thing up, load up all the parts and stuff, and get the last little stuff out of here while we still got some time. We waiting on the interior guy to come for the Camaro. So by the time we load this up, get back, he should be about pulling up or so. Got to get that interior and everything on that thing A1 though. Alrighty, guys, so we got the truck ready. Connected our gas tank and everything. So this thing should fire up. Should fire up. Yes, sir. Just like I suspected. Should fire up. Got it going. It's time to get this thing loaded, dog. Alrighty, guys. We done made it to the cribbo. Man, this thing is looking good in the sun. Ain't even wiped down yet, but y'all get the idea, man. We about to offload this joint and get it in the garage, man. We already got our 21 and our CVO over here. Trying to get these things out as soon as possible. But I might have to switch these to this side because I can't get the Camaro in here because of this freaking pole right here, man. So I might have to swap real quick. Knew I forgot something. I forgot my tripod. But we gonna get it going. All right, so now that we got him in here, she is looking good. Can't wait to get her riding right. She already started firing up A1. Probably got to switch these bikes to the other side real quick. No big deal. But does look good in here, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys. So we got the blue bike in here. Looking good next to these other red bikes. Looking good. Like I said, almost complete here. We can probably slide our Camaro in here now. Everything is looking good. Can't wait. These should be out of here any day now. Kind of less room because of this big old water heater thingy. But all in all, still pretty fair space. I'm digging it. I love it. Now we can probably get the Camaro in here. What y'all think? All right, man. So my guys just pulled up. They about to get this engine bay clean along with the interior and everything, man. So can't wait. This thing is gonna look fresh, smell fresh again. You guys see what's going on. And then I figured out, you know, these Camaros are different, man. When the battery's like ultra dead, you get a bunch of lights popping up when you first start the car. However, since we had the car started and like driven for a long little time or whatever, the lights went off, so no more parking brake, none of that. The radio did come on, so that's a plus. About an hour and a half in or so, my guy's getting cracking. It's coming together slowly but surely. Hey, man, it's looking better already, man. That's crazy. Yeah, it's definitely looking better. That's for sure. Yeah. It's looking good. Looking good, though, man. Yeah, sir. It's starting to look like something now. I'm excited. Yes, sir, man. I'm excited, dog. Yeah, they getting cracking, man. Hopefully soon it's going to look like something, man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. They getting cracking. They got the whole truck and everything. Yes, sir. All right, man. I just got the text. We looking good. We looking. Oh yeah, we shined up for sure.
It's all right, man. We're just doing some final touches.
It's definitely shining up for sure, man. Check out this inside. We got some. Oh yeah, we got some smell good. That's for sure. It don't smell like wet dog no more. Yeah, that's perfect. I ain't gonna even hold you. Smells a lot better. Looks a lot better than it did. Literally looks and feels damn near like a brand new car. That's freaking dope. They even got the inside there. Let's see. I know they forgot this. Oh, they even did that for sure. That's dope. That's dope. Looks good. Okay. Got the back all cleaned up. Looking good. Now on the camera you can see like the spots and stuff like that, but in real life you really can't see anything. It's not bad at all. Looks really great actually. Tires and wheels shining up real nice. Looking real marvelous. Definitely looking good, smelling good now. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Yeah, it definitely looks good, man. Yeah, you guys did a full 360 on this interior for sure. Yeah. Oh, look at the motor. Oh my God. Man, y'all see what's going on, dog. That's crazy. Y'all see how dirty this thing was when they first started? This looked like a brand new car, man. That's crazy. That's nuts. Oh my God. Yeah, man, I'm digging that. And that's the SS, man. So you know we got to go do some donuts and all that good stuff. But my guys hooked me up, man. I appreciate it, dog. That thing looks A1. Really good. Everything clean. Steering wheel look good. Feel good. See, that's dope. That's what I'm talking about. Now we can move on and check out the damage. Yeah, man. They got me right. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. If y'all ever in Vegas, man, need a detail, Prestige Auto Detailing, man. They got me right. I ain't gonna hold you. Now I do need to get a windshield because we got some cracks and stuff down there. Literally no big deal. Usually when we get hail damaged cars, the sunroof is like cracked, but as you guys can see, we got a few dings and stuff all over the hood. Nothing too big to like really notice. And then it is like a silver car, so seeing the dents and stuff is already hard as it is. But literally gonna have to tell Tonio to get us right. Tonio gonna have to get us right. But no big deal. Few dings ain't gonna hurt nobody. I'm digging it, man. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. I ain't gonna hold y'all. She do look good in the garage next to these Harleys, man. It ain't nothing like a freaking V8, dog. Like, I literally haven't had a V8 for like over a year now. So it's good to have a Camaro back in the family. Can't wait. And we got the sunroof, man. I can't wait to see how this thing turns out, man. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet, but got hail damage, man. No big deal. They're literally runs and rides pretty nice. Gonna take it up, get all the fluids and stuff changed tomorrow. Just make sure everything is good there. Then after that, we should be able to slide, man. So can't wait, dog. Can't wait. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all seen we freaking took delivery of our 2017 SS Camaro from Copart today. Yes, this thing has hail damage. It came all the way from Texas, man. I don't know where the hail damage happened, location wise, but we do have it now. It's on these West Coast streets and it's looking good, man. Hail damage, it's not as bad as it seems, man. It's literally only body work from what I'm seeing. In the beginning of the video, we did get some lights and stuff on the dash. However, this car hasn't been started since like May, man. So when you have a dead battery on a Camaro, these things always trip out when you first start up. They have to recalibrate. And then it did that. Our radio wasn't working at first, but once it did, everything recalibrated now. Everything's working. No lights are on the dash, so we just got to get an oil change, and we should be good to go. Oil change, get all the fluids and stuff flushed out. But for the most part, I'm excited with it, man. We got that thing cleaned up. Can't wait to see where we're going with it, man. So if you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody out there tuning in, man. We also went and picked up our blue Road Glide special, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for this thing, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, man, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. Meanwhile, we just waiting on our Road King to come, man. A couple more days and we should be good to go. So if you guys haven't, though, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace. Man, I ain't gonna even hold y'all. I thought I was done with this thing for the day. I feel like, man, my favorite car of all time has always been a Camaro, man. When I was younger, I always wanted a Camaro, man. So when I got mine back in the day, it was like everything. But now after having like the i8 and stuff, it's like I just love this car. Like I really feel like a kid again. Like, man, I'm really excited about this car. I cannot wait, dog. I want to drive this thing so bad. And the fact that it's looking really good, it's just a plus. You guys see the hail damage a little bit better out here. Them things was shooting ice chunks. That's nuts. That's nuts. No big deal though, man. Got the sunroof. Sunroof is definitely popping. That's dope. That's dope. Yeah, I'm too excited, y'all.